Here are the top headlines on ITWeb this week. Firstly, the South African IT services market reached 104.9 billion rand in 2024 and is projected to grow to 182 billion rand by 2028. This is due to the increasing demand for cloud services. Meanwhile, the Directorate for Priority Crime Investigation, Hawks, arrested a 21-year-old suspect for allegedly selling the 2024 matric results online. This follows allegations against Edumax, an education company accused of selling results for 100 rand before the official announcement by the Education Department. In addition, the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, FSCA, has warned the public about a new investment scam involving deepfake videos of businessman Dr. Patrice Motsepe and other entrepreneurs. The scam features Gold Earnings Hub and Africa Gold Capital, which use manipulated videos of Dr. Motsepe promoting fraudulent investments. Moreover, the National Senior Certificate (NSC) results for 2024 revealed a record high matric pass rate of 87.3%. However, concerns arose about the declining participation in mathematics and physical science, despite improvements in mathematics pass rates, 69.1%, up from 63.5%, while physical science saw a slight decline, 75.6%, down from 76.2%. Additionally, there was a significant drop in student enrollment in these subjects compared to 2023. Lastly, Sweep South, a home cleaning services company, aims to become a billion-dollar unicorn. In the short term, CEO Lou Randy Creel plans to expand services to include pet sitting, childcare, and elderly care, while launching a business-focused portal targeting new metros. In the long term, Creel envisions the company becoming a globally recognized platform for home services, achieving unicorn status. For more news, visit itweb.co.za and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.